Dude, this is the world's first s'mores ledge. This video is gonna smell so good. This is the worst thing we're ever gonna do.
This is gonna be a big mess.
Just go really fast. Here we go. Yeah. This is 50 pounds and I'm on coup wheels. All right, Dan, we got a box opening today. What do we have here? Ghirardelli Premium Wafers, Dark Coating Wafers. Chris, if you'd like to open that one. I already opened this one to make sure that we got exactly what we actually ordered. Today, we are creating the world's very first s'mores ledge. Let's go ahead and give this a try. You know, for dark chocolate, that's delicious. It tastes like milk chocolate for sure. Yeah, we were trying to figure out how to melt the crayons. We were trying to figure out how to melt the crayons, and someone was like, Gabe, why don't you guys just buy a bunch of heat guns and centralize it in an area and melt them all? And I was like, well, I didn't even know those existed. So now we have some heat guns which blow invisible heat up to 1200 degrees in a direction, and I'm doing this without Fetty here because I don't want him to burn my arm off. So there you go. That chocolate is delicious. Dude,
this can't be dark chocolate.
Ghirardelli, y'all are doing something good. If you'd like to sponsor us and get a nice banner on our wall, we support you.
For the first layer, because it's only glue sticks that I melted to seal it off.
Wait, you put glue sticks in there, Carlos? I told you I wanted to eat this afterwards. Power 2 goes up to 1200, and then you can change the temperature of this. I think we're going for a nice melt, not for a boil. Should we just...
The Braille cooking channel is?
Usually we do 30 pounds. We did 30 pounds of wax and we did 30 pounds of crayons, but now we were gonna do 50 pounds of chocolate. I think that's good for now. I think we should keep it central and then kind of melt it outwards instead of hitting the edges and see how that works. Let's just go with this for now. All right, we're gonna need all 4 people on deck here. Right, oh, this video is gonna smell so good. Oh, now we're talking.
Johnny knows how to paint.
Johnny, are you a chef?
Johnny's a painter.
I'm from Switzerland. I know how to handle chocolate.
Dude, it smells like we're in a freaking Ghirardelli chocolate factory right now, and I've never been more happy in my life.
It smells delicious.
Let's spread it out.
This is the life.
I don't know what I'm doing.
Oh, look at the gloss. The gloss. We're on that ultra high setting. Oh my, satisfying. All right, I think we're good for layer 1. Got a lot more where that came from, brothers and sisters.
Dump them on in, Gabe. Let's see it.
All right, I think we're good for this. All right. Carlos, are you gonna help?
I'll work my way over there.
Oh, you got this.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Are you ready for this?
Yes, I'm ready.
I'm gonna teach you. I'm melting chocolate right now.
Okay.
Ich bin grad
Grad.
am Schokischmelzen.
I'm Schokischmelzen.
Wait, one more time.
Am Schokischmelzen.
I'm I'm not trying to offend anyone. Literally, like my English vocabulary does not work with that.
Am Schoki.
Im Schoki.
Schoki. Schmelze.
Schmilza.
Schmelze.
Schmelze.
Schmilza.
Schmelze.
Am Schokischmelze.
Im Schoki Schmelza.
German lessons with Johnny Geiger.
Wait, one more time.
Ich bin grad am Schoki Schmelze.
Schmelza.
Mit
M
Föhn.
Whoa, one more time.
Föhn.
Föhn.
Yeah, Föhn.
Oh, that was the whole thing?
That was the whole thing.
Dan, I've never been more proud of myself.
Oh, going in.
This is at least 8,000 times more fun than the crayon ledge. Crayon ledge, can I just say that? Johnny is the best person at melting, but ever since he taught me the translation, I feel like I've improved. Not only at melting chocolate, but just as a man in general. Dude, you got the melting down.
Pretty good. Well done, guys.
Our chocolate distribution is uneven. Good enough. We're gonna put marshmallows on top of it anyways.
That's a lot more chocolate than I thought it was gonna be. You know how we prepare for war in Switzerland?
How?
What's that for?
Oh! Look ready to go. So we finished melting the chocolate. We're gonna let that dry, and then we're gonna go to the store, get some marshmallows and graham crackers, put those on there, get them all melted. That sent pain through my body.
That's not a good thing.
Yep. We're gonna put the marshmallows on top, give those a nice toasting. Then we're gonna put the graham crackers on top, and hopefully they stick. Theoretically, we flip it upside down, put the graham crackers on the bottom. Or, I don't know, we'll figure it out. It is now Friday. We started this on Wednesday. It is now beautifully solidified into a nice chocolatey mess. And now we're gonna put some marshmallows on top. Did I say marshmallows right? I know someone in the comments is gonna be like, yeah, some marshmallows. Anyways, so we got a bunch of marshmallows. Wait, who ate some?
You get a marshmallow.
I'm surprised you didn't see my.
Marshmallows aren't vegan.
Don't eat them! Don't eat them! Don't rip them! If you guys have marshmallows, come pour them. Oh, this is a bad idea.
This is a terrible idea.
Is that all the marshmallows we have?
No marshmallow gets left behind.
Okay, skate camp 10 feet away. It's gonna get hot. Wait, before we start heating, we need to open a bunch of graham crackers and make sure we put them on while it's still melted so they stick. Okay, you guys need to open the graham crackers very carefully. Do not break the graham crackers. If anyone breaks them, you're fired. We can begin the heating process.
I don't know how this is gonna work.
Oh, they're toasting.
I will eat it. That's something I will do.
Okay.
Oh, yes. That is gonna work.
Oh, who put McNugget in charge? Too
You're
strong,
too healthy to be making
you're
s'mores.
breaking
Get
up.
out of here.
Your muscles are too big out. Oh, I am too strong.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. This looks very nice.
I didn't know they were different on both sides.
Why is it smoking? Oh, it smells so good, though. Oh, that's beautiful.
It's so hard not to break these.
You just broke it.
Hey, you're not allowed to eat sugar. Don't lick your fingertips.
Sorry.
Oh!
That looks really bad.
Give me fire!
Oh, look at that.
It was on fire. You just couldn't see it.
What did you do?
All right, hit it. Fit two in there.
I got that.
Optimal fittage.
That last
Oh! Hold up, I need to take a snack break.
We got 3 more.
One more layer, guys. One more layer. All right, you guys scoot back.
I'm gonna get sponsored by Nabisco.
There we go. All right, we're gonna let it dry and then we're gonna skate it later and I'm gonna eat all these graham crackers myself. Is that sticky still? Oh no.
Kinda.
Oh no. We got maximum stick.
Yeah, it's marshmallow.
Oh man. I think we should just get a piece of plywood and just keep it on top of the plywood. We could put the plywood on the box or we could just keep the plywood on flat, but just make sure the marshmallow
I say plywood
sticks
on
to the
box.
plywood. Okay, yeah, we can do that.
You want to see a magic?
You make a head shot into the basket first try. I will personally give you $20.
I'm not good at those.
Oh! My wallet went. No!
You think it's possible to primo slide chocolate?
I actually do. Not for long, but I do think it's possible.
For the summertime, are we gonna melt popsicles into a ledge?
Would you guys watch that video? Leave a comment below. Hopefully it doesn't fall apart while we're moving it. Fetty, let me help you with that.
Ha! Oh, juked ya.
Wow.
Strong man.
Oh. I don't want to be responsible for this.
Are we about to remove the frame and unveil the ledge?
Yes, we are.
Let's do it. How are we gonna do this?
Nigel is saying that we should flip it up on top of this plywood first, then take the sides off. I think we take the sides off, then flip it over.
It might make sense to flip it first, because it might be harder to flip it over once it's off the frame. It could break.
Yeah, I think we just go for it. So I think we can try to get this side first.
Carlos is gonna get a flathead screwdriver, and then we can use that to pry it open.
Oh, yeah. I think you got it.
Oh, that was my toe.
Oh. Almost there. The hardest ledge ever made.
It's like right there. It's like.
Yeah, I got it.
Let me get in the side.
Can we get this side too?
You get that
Yeah.
side.
Oh!
Then we'll just both pry it.
You should
Wait a minute. You did drill up.
Oh yeah.
Could have told somebody that.
You guys didn't ask.
Well, we did. I wish the bottom of the ledge smelt as good as the top.
Should we flip it over like now that it's like still in frame?
Might as well.
Oh, I want to get my hands on marshmallowy. Okay, ready?
And commit. I imagine this was what the gates of Candyland smells like. Oh, I feel
Okay, may have sustained a little bit of damage, but we got it. And now we have a finished s'more. 1 graham cracker to finish all s'mores.
Yeah, just melt it back in.
And there we are, brothers. The world's first 100% chocolate ledge. I kind of want to cry. All right. Here it is. The world's first 100% s'mores ledge. Welcome to it, my friend.
Amazing. Glad to be here.
Kind of hesitant to use this board.
I would not use your board. I would use one of the trash ones.
Okay, I'm gonna do that. You ready? What's your first trick on this?
Johnny, I think
giving you
you're
the honor.
You're the visitor. We're giving you first honors of whatever trick you want to try.
What should I be trying?
I think just the board side, to be honest.
Manny Bart slide?
Can I see if it'll actually even slide?
Got a little chocolate on you. Oh. Oh. No.
All right, Johnny, we're gonna share that board.
Dude, this is the worst thing we're ever gonna do. Like, should we go outside? Like, I don't know.
We go outside, we have a hose out there, so we can just hose it down. I'm just saying, this is gonna be a big mess.
Yeah, I don't think we should do it in here, to be honest.
Yo, Fetty, we need some muscles.
okay. I am here. I am ready.
Watch out, Carlos.
That's it, that's it.
Well, now it's gonna melt even faster.
So we put it on top of Chris's car?
Yeah.
I'm going down.
What do you think, Fetty?
Tastes good. It's our best tasting ledge.
Sadly, I don't think we're gonna be able to keep the pieces for this one.
Chocolate wheels.
Oh, no.
Nice.
Oh, God.
Should have tried to nose bonk it.
Oh, that's gonna break.
So sticky.
Let's start off with slides.
I will not grind it. I will just like slightly be touching.
Just nose, okay.
Yeah, just nose bonk it.
Let's give it a shot.
I'm gonna board slide it.
Here we go.
Sorry, I messed it up. Oh, I didn't hit it.
Man. Yeah! Look at that. Oh, uh-oh.
What's next?
I break everything, so here we go.
Yes, you do. What do you think of our craftsmanship, Johnny?
What is craftsmanship?
Our construction of the ledge.
Well done.
I think we could have done better. But at least it tastes good. Oh! Whoa.
I was kind of expecting that to happen.
Just go really fast. Oh! Hey, eat some, Fetty. You can eat more. It's the most delicious ledge ever. Yeah. Dude, no way. Carlos, have a s'more.
That's so good.
It's actually really good.
Here, you gotta get some marshmallow on there. Yeah. Delicious. You got it, Chris. Oh, no. You all right?
That was a pretty good slam. I'm good.
Oh.
Scraped my ankle.
We're not in the Braille house
Look at that.
anymore.
You can see my bone.
Bite it. Yeah.
Kind of want to do a foot plant.
Oh no, you'll ruin your shoes. Oh. Wait, no. Part of that has to be so satisfying though.
Oh my gosh.
Was that like the best or worst thing ever?
It is so weird. I can't decide. Oh my god.
Oh yeah. Look at your wheels, dude.
Alright, I'm gonna try the foot plant.
Okay. Look at that. Oh, you crushed a graham cracker.
Sorry, Graham.
Don't slip out. Oh!
How was it? How did it feel like with your foot sinking into that?
Oh, look at this. Ooh.
Oh, hey. Now it's all waxed and ready for a dark slide. Oh, he sent it flying. Dude, look at the shoe marks.
Proud of that.
That was great.
So glad I did the second try. Landing was the sketchiest part. You can slip off so fast if you grip.
Woo!
My foot slid and then got stuck.
We're making the asphalt slippier. What did I just say? The asphalt is gonna be more slippery than the Braille house. Chris! You chunked it!
What if I'm gonna primo stall it?
Go ahead, give it a shot. Oh
No, it's gonna break.
This is that. Oh no.
You.
Just go into primo first. There you go. Now you got it lodged in there. You just gotta go fast. Oh! Imagine.
Oh.
All right, now Johnny.
Jesus.
We got the chocolate board. Now I must ask you another question. When you heard you were coming to the Bay Area, did you think that you would be standing primo on a 50-pound box of chocolate?
No, not in America. That's what we usually do in Switzerland, but not in America.
I would love to backtail it, but now that our grip tape's covered in chocolate, so it's kind of.
No excuses.
You're right. I just gotta go for it.
Aaron's gonna be so bummed on his newly painted ledge.
Can somebody help me? Nobody is gonna help me.
It's like you try so hard to stay clean in these videos, and then the second you get messy, you just lose all hope and just go for it.
See, I'm still in the clean zone, so.
All right, I'm gonna try to backtail it now.
Whoa! Dude, that's sick!
You think it's gonna slide?
I think so.
I think it's gonna slide too.
All right, Johnny, you got this. Oh, possible.
That'll work.
That's possible.
That'll work.
You got to go a little faster than
Yeah,
that.
it's tough though, because like our boards are covered in chocolate now.
Oh! Now you got the right idea, Fetty.
Front row seat.
First try was the best try.
Oh!
That was sketchy. Just slipping all over the place.
You all right?
Yeah, I kind of injured myself, I think.
Give it another shot. This is pretty tough.
My only request for you, if you can't do the back tail, just get on the board on top of the ledge and do a kickflip.
Okay. I don't think it's gonna work. All right, I'm gonna try one more. Should we do that kickflip test?
Yeah.
Let's see if I can do a kickflip. Am I gonna even pop?
Oh no!
I still have hope.
Oh, I hate you guys so much.
Oh!
Oh no!
That was the worst feeling, just like sinking into that chocolate.
All right, this is gonna.
Oh! No! I've been chocolated.
Oh,
Like some
can't even
This one
stand.
can't even stay there.
Dude, this has turned into the worst thing we've ever done.
I would say this is not very successful.
The worst thing we've ever done mess-wise, but delicious-wise. The tastiest we'll ever do.
Yeah.
It would have been the worst mess if we did it inside,
Yes.
but it's not the worst mess.
Okay. That sounded terrible.
It felt even better though. I'm gonna go for the no stall 3 shove.
Whoa!
It was the wrong trick, but that was cool.
Oh! You done did it.
That's what I was trying to
You
do.
done did it.
I should have expected it. Come on.
There we go. Hey, just pop on right on top of it.
Well, I would say that's pretty much a wrap here. I don't know if we're gonna be able to do much more on this.
No, I don't think so. Hey, Dan's, I think you should come check this out. What do you think, Dan?
What happened? I mean, I know what happened.
Well, it melted and, you know, they stepped in it and did some plants and... Oh, no.
Oh no. Oh no.
All right, well, that was half the most successful, half the most terrible idea we've ever had. But we had a great time doing it. There's some videos right there. Go ahead and check them out. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and learn how to skateboard. Go to brailleskateboarding.com. Your time is now, and we would not recommend melting 50 pounds of chocolate into a ledge with marshmallows and graham crackers and skating it at home. It is a mess. See you guys tomorrow.